Transporting heavy machinery is a challenging task, where skill, experience, and precise calculations determine everything. In this video, let's explore the most dangerous transport missions and witness how experts handle these tough challenges in the most spectacular way. On the highway in Sochi, two large trucks suddenly collided lightly while moving in heavy traffic. A tense moment on the road. This is a reminder that even on the wide roads, caution is always important. With the Matthias Case IH and its body-swapping trailer system, the seemingly impossible task became simple. On the bottomless swamp, the powerful vehicle quickly exerted its power, completing the rescue in just over 5 minutes. An impressive display of technology and engineering. The performance not only demonstrated the power of the machine, but also demonstrated top-notch driving skills. Visitors to Yellowstone National Park had a surprise experience when a herd of bison suddenly charged across the road, squeezing through a long line of cars. The pounding hooves and wild scenery made the moment dramatic. Fortunately, no one was injured and no vehicles were involved in an accident, leaving behind a memorable memory in the midst of majestic nature. On a busy road, a truck driver suddenly drove a container under an overpass at an extremely close distance. The roof of the container lightly scraped against the bridge wall, creating a deafening sound, but the driver continued his journey as if nothing had happened. A tense and unbelievable moment on the road. On Palm Block Road, the road suddenly collapsed, creating a dangerous hole. Vehicles moving through the area were forced to stop, while rescue teams quickly arrived to assess the situation. This unexpected incident caused traffic disruption and posed a huge challenge for repairs. Subscribe to our channel to continue watching more interesting clips. New Zealand's giant tree stump, a relic from the past, is no match for the stumpy Aero 800, a powerful grinder. With a 130 to 380 horsepower motor, a grinding depth of 25-35 centimeters, and a super durable manganese steel blade, the stumpy Aero 800 can be mounted on a tractor and operates at speeds of 4-6 meters per minute. With a flexible grinding width of 60 to 1/800 millimeter, it can easily handle any size stump, turning old debris into sawdust in the blink of an eye. The Volvo tanker truck was moving towards the left bend near the intersection when it suddenly lost traction due to the icy road surface. The trailer slid into the ditch, flipped over, and came to a stop upside down, while the tractor remained on the road without damage. Immediately after, a heavy-duty rescue Scania Boniface rotator was dispatched to handle the situation, ready to rescue the tanker. The slippery road caused both vehicles to wobble and slide dangerously. It looks like the forecast was correct. It's time for that house to get some serious care. Oh, trees are easier than ever thanks to the 33-1 pulley system combined with the PCH 2000 winch, which provides a maximum pulling force of 1150 kilograms. With the support of the Swedish pulley system, the winch only needs 1 ton of force, but can create a pulling force of up to 38 tons. Helping to remove stubborn tree stumps effectively and impressively. So much effort. Those tire chains are bad. At the 9 the axle, Laguna Carapin, MS, a large truck was stuck deep in the mud after a heavy rain. The mud stuck to the wheels, making any attempt to move it futile. A tractor was called in, its engine roaring, trying to pull the truck out of the mud. The cable was taut, dirt flying under the strong pull. The driver and bystanders watched anxiously, hoping the truck would make it out safely. Why would they tie it around the weakest part of the tree? The trunk would be much stronger. The anchor point, I guess, is that they don't have much experience with uprooting trees. The Sachs' trans-oversized cargo convoy is moving along the designated route, transporting a cargo of impressive dimensions, 4 meters wide, 4.40 meters high and up to 21 meters long. With a large load and special safety requirements, the convoy moves slowly with the support of a guide vehicle to ensure the safety of surrounding traffic. Everyone watches the giant vehicle roll carefully, step by step overcoming the narrow roads and obstacles on the Poned-Normatoni transport route. Oh my gosh. The concentration and skill of these truck drivers is amazing. They drive these giant trucks like they are nothing. Respectful. The Isuzu 360 supercar roared as it tried to climb the steep slope with a heavy load, but the lack of traction caused it to stop halfway. With no other choice, the driver was forced to reverse the car down the slope cautiously. That moment was a valuable lesson. Every mistake is not only an obstacle, but also an opportunity to learn. Such real-life experiences help people gain experience, improve their skills, and become more confident in the next journeys. He almost lost control of the tree when the wedge bounced off, but in the end, luckily, he managed to knock it down. Trucks carrying heavy equipment traveling at high speeds always pose a great risk, especially on muddy roads. Slippery mud causes the wheels to lose grip, easily leading to loss of control or overturning. Even a small mistake can cause serious consequences. Therefore, drivers need to maintain a safe speed, focus on observing and carefully controlling the vehicle to ensure safety for themselves and those around them. Into the harsh roads of the north where nature tests humanity. This proves its strength and reliability. Imagine a large truck carrying only bananas, which alone requires a great deal of precision and skill from the operator. This is also the story of overcoming a challenge that is fascinating in its complexity. The tractor engine roared, slowly climbing the steep slope of the red dirt mountain road construction site. The wheels were covered in mud, sliding lightly on the rough road, but the driver still had a steady hand on the wheel, carefully controlling every meter of the road. Behind, the heavy machinery shook with each jolt, adding pressure to the arduous journey. Sweat beaded on his forehead, but he was still persistent, determined to bring the goods to the top safely. Removing a cedar giant to protect a power line is a dangerous and unexpected task. With its large canopy, deep roots, and the risk of the tree falling in the wrong direction, even a small mistake can lead to disaster. Each saw cut is a nerve-wracking challenge. However, with careful preparation and skillful techniques, the team of experts completes the task safely, step by step.
Discover Norwood sawmills with the hugely successful Frontier OS-27. This entry-level saw demonstrates Norwood's commitment to innovation and economy, providing a durable solution for tradesmen on a budget. The OS-27 design incorporates outstanding Norwood features, ensuring a smooth, efficient sawing experience without compromising on quality. This is truly an ideal choice for any sawmill or farm. This guy is really talented at operating machinery. With precise and steady pulls, he neatly finished off the stump, taking advantage of the power of this car. Everything is under control, but just one mistake, a broken chain, can turn everything into a mess. Look, the Jungle Warrior Tiger Cat 822D Feller Buncher is rampaging through the woods of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Equipped with a Tiger Cat 572 hot saw, this 35-ton machine easily handles even hardwood trunks up to 60 cm in diameter. This is the peak mechanical power in every cut. This man clearly knows his job very well. It's sad to see a beautiful old tree taken down, but when it begins to weaken and become a threat, action is necessary. Hopefully that place will soon be covered with more green trees. The powerful Cat 535 is tumbling over long distances, conquering large logs. Click like and follow now to see the absolute power and peak performance of this machine. The first time I saw shark teeth on an excavator, I was skeptical. A giant saw mounted on a boom looked strange. But when it chewed up a large tree stump and tore it into pieces in just a few minutes, I was completely convinced. This machine is redefining how tree stumps are treated, setting new standards for strength and quality in the forestry industry. Cutting trees in urban areas or thinning forests is work that requires precision. Ideally, you should cut down the tree, move it to a safe area, and then sort it or bring it in for shredding. Look at the Lumberjack 450, a true forestry machine. With 360 rotation, it cuts and stacks wood like a pro. The hidden blade design eliminates any hassle when sorting, and with its durable construction for a 20-30 ton machine, this is the tool that will revolutionize the logging industry. You can completely uproot a giant tree stump with just a few pulleys and a regular tractor. Look at this video where they used a 35.1 mechanical advantage along with an 18 horsepower tractor, and this big stump was pulled out like it was nothing. The power and simplicity of technology makes stump removal easier than ever. Slovenian company Mibor offers the perfect sawing solution with the ability to process up to 30 m of wood per hour. Their automated process optimizes every step from wood reception to finished product, reducing waste to just 5%. This automation not only improves productivity but also ensures consistent quality, making Mibor the ideal model for modern sawmills globally. Their solutions are the future of the wood manufacturing industry. That's the perfect job. This operator has a real talent for controlling the mighty 1270 machine, as if it were an extension of himself. Its arm uprooted the tree like a decaying tooth, filling the hole without leaving a trace on the sidewalk. This is truly a testament to the power of the right tool in the hands of the right person. Admire the Ponce Ergo 8 W Harvester, the ultimate machine in large timber harvesting. With its power and advanced technology, it easily handles the giant tree trunks at star culls. 360-degree rotation allows for quick and precise cutting, trimming, and wood collection. The machine not only optimizes performance, but also reduces operator stress thanks to its intelligent control system and comfortable design, helping to protect health and well-being. Instead of uprooting the tree using the usual method, this guy applied a new approach with a creative wheel. Coming to the K&B Lumber 6 double cut head rig, priced around $50,000, is cutting-edge technology in woodworking. With a 6-foot steel frame and dual cutting technology, the machine processes both sides of the block in one cut, improving productivity and ensuring a smooth cutting surface. Operating automatically with flexible settings, the machine is easily adjusted for many types of wood. Durable motors, modern control systems, and safety mechanisms help the machine meet and exceed industry precision and speed requirements. Attached to an excavator, the bull hog mower is an ideal tool for clearing vegetation along roadsides, ravines, and hard-to-reach places. With the bull hog attachment, you can easily clean job site boundaries, remove invasive vegetation, and reduce the risk of bushfires. The 2023 automatic turbo saw is a revolutionary tool for sawyers, allowing for easy one-person operation. With a lever that automatically adjusts the rotation and taper of the saw blade, it delivers precise cuts on large wood surfaces. Control wheels ensure smooth operation, and weatherboard accessories help you work in all conditions. You can choose between 10-inch and 12-inch cuts, along with options like a digital sizing board cart and planner. An old stump is foolish to think it can defeat a wood chipper? Never stand a chance against the 630 horsepower monster hidden under the humble exterior of the AIR T800 lawnmower. With a deafening roar, the RT800 tore the stump to pieces, leaving behind only dust and a pile of wood chips. Valmet 911.3 logging is a typical single-chamber machine among forestry machines with a capacity of 120 Q, processing large tree trunks with a diameter of up to 60 km. It achieves harvesting speeds of up to 20 m per hour thanks to its advanced cutting system and flexible mobility. The spacious cabin provides operator comfort, making this unit a reliable warrior in the wood industry, ready to face any challenge. Learn about the Trailblazer tree and bush trimming attachment for wheel loaders that makes cleanup a breeze with 3 28-inch carbide saw blades and a powerful hydraulic motor. This device has the ability to rotate 20 degrees and lift 90 degrees, connect quickly, and is easy to maintain, optimizing working performance. Discovering a unique work of its kind is always fun to see. The trunks enter in front. The shepherd throws away the coveted bark on one side, and in the back, the peeled trunks are stacked with a second crane. Have you ever heard of stump humper? With a 27 HPEF I-Kohler engine and special self-propelled design, is it the perfect solution for tight areas you're looking for? Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 in feed system quickly processes large tree trunks in a short time, helping to save labor costs and optimize the production process. The system automates wood loading, increasing productivity and minimizing waste, resulting in a higher quality final product. You will be amazed with the Dipperfox Sight 150, a tree stump eraser like a storm that not only operates with a 100 horsepower motor, but also has the flexibility to handle any terrain with ease. According to Mr. John Thompson, a forestry expert, this machine is still in a ready-to-operate state, bringing reliability to all forestry projects. The 2011 Moorbark 40/36 drum chipper, with 5,590 operating hours and a 600 horsepower SIA TC18 Tier 3 engine, is the ideal machine in the woodworking industry. Equipped with the Advantage 3 drum, it is capable of handling and crushing large blocks of wood into high-quality wood chips. This is a living demonstration of the Paleto PTH 1400-1000 ALRX, symbolizing human engineering sophistication. The 700 horsepower Volvo engine processes 800 ml logs, producing up to 380 m of wood chips per hour, confirming the pinnacle of efficiency and innovation. The rotating lift cab with crane provides optimal control and outstanding proficiency in any environment. I have always admired the skill and strength of loggers, a job filled with danger and hardship. Please honor the brave and resilient people who keep pace with the forest. If you're looking for power and versatility in the woods, look no further than the OSE 270 Helm. This machine easily tows 12 tons with an advanced balancing system that keeps it stable on any terrain. Whether hauling or woodworking, the OSE 270 handles it all. Combine this processor, get ready to unleash the beast. Witness the extraordinary skill of Mr. Meika, one of Japan's last loggers, as he steers his horse companion through the forest. Scenes shot in Tuno City, Iwate, provide a rare glimpse of the fading traditional art of logging. Get ready to unlock maximum performance with the TMK 300 tree shear combined with the John Deere 60G to clear the ground and trim treetops and trunks separately in the fall. Leave comment 1 if you love discovering the power of Swift Fox Industries, the ultimate terrain cleanup solution. The precision and harmony between man and nature, testament to experience and expert craftsmanship. The old craftsman made his own wood-cutting machine right in his yard. After the initial setup, the machine operated much simpler and safer. I expect to see more impressive improvements from this innovation. That unique sound evokes nostalgia for many people and is an epic adventure for those who love speed. The 1974 Kenworth Big James with the Detroit 12V71 engine is a vivid time capsule, taking us back to the old woods where the smell of pine and diesel blend in our memories. Wow, look at the precision of this operator. He pilots the Cat 304 with great ability, each move purposeful and carefully calculated. The way he uses weight and leverage to uproot giant trees is truly a lesson in mining techniques, a true expert. Land management is resource optimization with the VM60SR turning site clearance into valuable assets instead of waste. You create valuable mulch, improve the land, and support sustainable development. It's a win-win solution. The ideal land reclamation enhances the ecological footprint. Let's explore together strength and precision when performing the K-sen of giant Douglas Eck trees. Every move is carefully calculated, from determining the cutting position to how to control modern machinery. Professional workers with expert skills are ready to face all challenges of nature. They not only cut down giant trees, but also affirmed their bravery in each slash, turning their work into art. Oh my God! What caused the Zexy, a truck full of wood, to plunge into the abyss, creating a strong collision that shook everything around? The Dipper Fox, a C600 stump grinder, is a true beast, packing serious power with a capacity of up to 90 cubic. In just a few seconds, tree stumps up to 600 m in diameter were turned into sawdust, like a maximally enhanced wood chipper. With a performance of 30 m of wood per hour and outstanding crushing power, you won't find a more durable machine on the market. Freezing temperatures and treacherous snow and ice make for a recipe for disaster, but these professional men conquer the elements with their TDT-55. Their skill and determination were truly impressive in getting the job done in harsh conditions. The John Deere 959M Feller Buncher Showdown truly shines with its outstanding capabilities and operator expertise. Controlled felling techniques demonstrate a deep understanding of both equipment and delicate balance, providing optimal wood protection. This is not only a testament to the precision and power of the 959MA, but also an affirmation of the skill and dedication of the people who operate this machine. This is how a bulldozer and anchor chain clears land. This machine uses chains and dozer blades to get through dense vegetation much more quickly and safely than hand tools. They leave no chemical residue or wildfire risk, making for a successful workday. This chainsaw operator is like a wood-carving ninja, controlling the Style 70 with the dexterity of a samurai. They turn rough logs into flawless, smooth boards like a work of art. Like a magic show, there were no bunnies or hats, just sawdust and wood flying everywhere. This video proves that with the right skills and the perfect tools, anything can become a masterpiece. You can turn any piece of wood into a masterpiece with the MBR900 drum cutter, a tool specially designed for precise processing of natural materials. When using it on a tree stump, it feels like you're holding a bazooka in a fight with a regular saw. Admire the Vitamin 1000, a powerful portable peeler from Germany. More than just peeling, it also redefines quality in the wood industry with the perfect combination of strength and precision. With decades of experience, Vitamin demonstrates its commitment to quality and innovation. This is more than just a peeler. It is a symbol of the sophistication of German engineering. The Tiger LS855E is turning eucalyptus trees into trees as straight as toothpicks, creating a spectacular performance that resembles a monster truck race. Instead of crushing cars, it impressively harvests wood. The way it cuts and arranges the tree trunks is truly mesmerizing, making me sure that if I were a tree, I would be shaking in my roots right now. The Feckin' Stumpex Demo Edition Stump Crusher is a true beast, ready to tackle anything you throw at it from trees to bushes. With a compact design ideal for tight spaces and a durable heavy-duty case, this is the ultimate forestry weapon at $32,500. It appears that the model is on a mission to exploit the tree's natural growth process by removing dead branches, redirecting the tree's energy into horizontal growth. As a therapy for trees, it helps them reach their full potential and produce the most beautiful pine trees. This wood chipper may seem harmless at first glance, but its capabilities are truly amazing. It can process trees up to 200 mm in diameter and produce 14 m of wood chips per hour. The video of this machine evokes a feeling of both awe and fear, highlighting its raw power. After many years of cutting wood, I realized that it was a humbling experience. No matter how carefully you plan, every piece of wood is different, and every cut is a gamble. You must respect the wood, respect the forces, and never let your guard down. When the logs start moving, your experience will no longer be meaningful. Impossible to do that in the vast forests of Sweden. The Hypro 755 HB harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG4 clamp, easily handles trees up to 45 km thick, even with complex root systems. The machine operates with surgical precision, promoting the growth of a healthy forest ecosystem. This is not just a cedar tree, but a monster, a raw force of nature with a diameter of 10 feet. Look at that lumberjack, small next to him, like the fight between David and Goliath, but this time there are no leaves at all. With a 42-inch saw and an axe, he not only felled a tree, but conquered a legend. That is the mark of a true woodsman. Maestro just needs to get the job done. As long as it works efficiently, all problems are solved. When I first saw the Quadco 27BE, I was overwhelmed by its size and solid construction, ready to conquer any challenge. 4 independent arms with each individual cylinder are like giant hands, unstoppable. The large saw blade sparkles in the sunlight, promising sharp and quick cuts. The 27B is more than just a machine. It is a living testament to human technology in the face of natural power. In the field of forestry equipment, the Timber Pro T F840D is a game changer. Unique 360 rotating cab increases visibility and comfort, optimizing productivity. With a powerful crane and 338 horsepower engine, this unit easily traverses rough terrain, maximizing load capacity for excellent log transport. This is not just a machine, but a strategic investment for any mining operation looking to improve wood quality. Prepare for an adrenaline-filled adventure as we take on the challenge of taking down a dangerous upside-down tree. This video explores high-risk tree work, demonstrating the skill and precision to safely remove obstacles. Join this intense journey as we use innovative cutting techniques to minimize risk and protect the environment. Do you want to experience the power of Komatsu 911 with C123 cutting head and pestwood treatment, taking the performance of your forestry work to the next level? Leave comment number 1 to let me know. More than simply a milling machine, the Sherwood is a lumber-producing beast, capable of devouring logs up to 20 ft long and producing perfect lumber. With a cutting head that rotates at 950 RPM and a milling spindle speed of 300 RPM. This is a force of nature. The hydraulic drive system allows for easy loading and unloading of wood like an experienced logger. A dance of steel and pine under a new moon sky, this excavator turns adversity into art. Each log is a brushstroke in a winter painting, and the roar of the engine creates a symphony of power and precision of machines and people before nature. Bell's Super Log Splitter allows you to split giant logs into manageable sizes. With sawing pressure of up to 76 tons, the machine easily processes hardwood. Convenient remote control helps you cut wood safely from a distance, bringing comfort throughout the work process. According to Dennis's sharing about the work process, at 4 o'clock in the morning, car owner and driver Dennis Pilz started a new working day, taking him into the heart of the Black Forest of Germany. With the Scania R580 V8 vehicle, equipped with a DOL structure and self-driving trailer, Dennis transports logs up to 21.5 meters long, with a total vehicle length of 27 meters. The job is more than just transportation. It's an adventure amidst majestic nature. This single grip stump harvester turns stubborn stumps into shreds in just a few moments, leaving you amazed at its power. Clearance is setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry, as these dense and heavy trees, with diameters of up to 70 cm and heights of more than 20 m, become a challenge. Cutting them down requires great precision, and the power of a 200 horsepower excavator is amazing as it struggles to lift large logs weighing up to 1 ton onto the trailer for transport back to the factory. You know, people often say, don't judge a book by its cover, and the same is true of this log. The outside is rough and sturdy, but the inside hides great beauty. However, every time this worker reached for the wood, I couldn't help but be startled. It was a tense and suspenseful moment that truly scared me. Image of Stuung's extreme timber truck moving through harsh roads.